Welcome, so today we'll be creating sounds and tones with BUZZER speaker.
So these are the materials we'll be going to use. First, the Arduino Uno R3, where we will upload our program. Next is the USB cable to connect to the computer. Here we have the breadboard, where we'll be putting our connecting wires. Connecting wires to connect our components in the breadboard. So this is the BUZZER speaker or the buzzer we will be used in this circuit. So this is the process of connecting all the devices. Here we will now connect the USB cable, connect it to the PC and upload the program written for the project. So this is the circuit. If you listen closely, you will hear 10 different tones. Here we will be trying to add 2 more tones in the set of tones. So we'll be changing the arrays to 12 and adding 2 different frequency in the list. So if you listen closely, you will now hear 12 different tones. In the post-lab questions, it says to use an Ldr Sensor and incorporate it to the circuit. Here is the code to set the value of the LDR. This uses the value from the LDR as frequency for the tone of the buzzer. So if you listen closely, you can hear the changes in the tone with respect to the light detected by the LDR. So this part is a code for a buzzer alarm using the LDR and the buzzer. It is set so that when the LDR detects a value of greater than 550, produce 2 alternating frequency. And if the LDR detects less than a 550 value, the buzzer will not turn on and produce sound.